Hi, I'm Brala Corona, Group Leader for Employee Team 1. Today, I would like to share how an employee incentive program is a viable option for our employees. Let's begin. A brief introduction to the steps that led up to this decision. Currently, employees are feeling burnt out by the long loads of work they are facing throughout the day. This is causing for the stress levels to increase. And so, as their stress levels are increasing, their motivation and confidence are decreasing. This is causing them to be less productive and less efficient. To confront this issue, the CEO and I discussed this situation and possibilities to confront this issue. As we all know, currently a wage increase is not a viable option as money that is being generated is being injected back into the company for growth. But the CEO did insist how a non-monetary benefit with a $5,000 budget cap could be introduced. Given this option presented, a survey was conducted to see what the employee wants. This resulted with 80% of the employees choosing for a pool table to be placed in a break room. The total cost to implement this would be in the $3,000 range, which is well under the budget proposed. A brief overview of the incentive program. Now, what is an incentive program? An incentive program is meant to reward employees with something in return for their hard work. A reward of any sort will show to the employees that the company truly cares and is recognizing their needs. As this happens, the employees' confidence builds up and their productivity increases as well as their efficiency. This is because the company is rewarding the employee for their hard work and recognizing that the employee's needs are being met. Going back to the survey conducted, the incentive options were proposed to employees to rank based from their most favorite to least favorite. The options included were a pool table to be placed in the break room, a monthly office theme day, and movie theater ticket discounts, or a team lunch to a restaurant of choosing. The results of the survey showed that four of the employees chose the pool table as their most liked reward for this program. This yielded an 80% vote towards the pool table. Now, why the incentive? Let's get a better viewpoint on incentive programs. An incentive program instills a feeling of value towards the employee from the company. When this happens, the employee recognizes this as that they're being valued by the company, and they tend to show increased numbers in both productivity and efficiency towards their job. But currently, that's not the issue we're being faced with today. Currently, employees do not have a way to clear their minds or have a mindful break during off time. This is causing for the stress levels to increase throughout the day. As this stress increases, their motivation, efficiency, and productivity decline. In return, this will hurt the company in the long run. A question on the survey asked that if the incentive were to be introduced today, would your viewpoint on the company have a more positive view? All employees answered yes towards this question. Now back to the pool table. Playing pool, or billiards how it's otherwise commonly known, has shown a positive increase in employee wellness, performance, concentration, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking, as well as stress relief. This is a great option for the program as its benefits are in line to what we need to help confront this issue. Given that this is an employee incentive program and the pool table is going to be placed in the break room, the rules for the pool table go in line as what we currently have for the break room. Tidy up after use, respect one another, and allow for all coworkers to take part in it. For days when the business is open to public events such as fundraisers or gatherings, the pool table will be open for all. To conclude this presentation, I would like to express my gratitude to the CEO and others for encouraging this. But also, I want to strongly encourage to other team leaders currently present to do the same thing. Explore possibilities for a reward incentive for your team. Start by doing research, conduct surveys, and find out what your employees want. If we all meet the needs of our employees, the reach of our company will go beyond what was thought the limit. Thank you.